importance of learning about this topic is that right now the planet is in a critical alert because some species are in extinction danger, and knowing all this data helps us because if someday we find the same species, we will recognize all the data we have to know about the species.
Tiger. The scientific name of the is the Panthera tiger. The habitat is a tropical forest. The weather is wet and fresh. The abiotic facts are the weather that is wet and fresh. The biotic facts are the other animals that they hunt, and the forest that is a tropical forest. The secondary carnivore. It is a secondary carnivore. If the tigers disappear, there will be an overpopulation in their prey, like cheetahs, sambar, gores, and many others.
There, its scientific name is Panthera pardus. It's over there. It's sleeping. The habitat they live in a tropical jungle, and sometimes they live in mountains. But it's not factible to the panthers to live in mountains because there lives the puma, and the puma will kill the panthers, so it's not factible. So, in the climate they live in damp climate. The biotic and abiotic factors are the biotic are the panther itself, the plant, trees, and the bacteria that live in the habitat. And the abiotic are the light, the temperature, and the most important is the humidity. And the position in the food chain, they are in the top. They are a secondary consumer type, and the importance of the panther is that if they die, there will be overpopulation of deers, and the deers will eat all the plants, and the plants will disappear.
The Mexican wolf. This animal habits in the desert, the Sonora Desert, which is in Arizona, in New Mexico, in Sonora, and also in Chihuahua. And basically, it's arid climate. It has between 50 degrees in the day, and at night it is between -9 to -4 degrees. Also, the scientific name for this animal is the Canis lupus bailey, and it is important to say that the biotic factors that this animal has are, for example, their prey, and also the abiotic factors is, for example, the climate in which it lives. Its position in the food chain is very important. It is a tertiary consumer. It does not have any predators, and it helps to control the population of rabbits, deers, and other animals that habits in the desert. It is very important for that, and also it's important to say that it is a species that is almost extinct. It has only in 2015 there were only 95 wolves that were wild, and that's all. Well, it's beautiful.
About the alligator, its scientific name is Alligatoridae. Their habitat are rainforests, lakes, and rivers. They live in warm climates. The abiotic factors are the light, the lakes, the rivers, and sandy areas. The abiotic factors are the prey such as fish and turtles. The position in the food chain, they are in the top, and they are a tertiary consumer type. The importance in the food chain is that they help to keep the balance in complex web of life in freshwater.
Its name is Macrophotidae. Scientific name is Macrophotidae. Its habitat is a semi-arid plain, or it can be a grassland or even a forest. Its climate is usually warm and arid. Some example of biotic factors are like the food he eats, that is plants, and an example of a biotic factor is temperature of the place, that is warm. The food chain is a secondary consumer, and it doesn't even have like a natural predator that affects it in a dangerous way, but its consumed type is a herbivore, and its importance of the food chain is usually to maintain the grass level, and so there are not a lot of grass.
And that's it?
Yes.
Okay. It's important to know the information what we learned, because if we find some animals in the environment and we don't know what they eat or how they live, we cannot help them. And this is important because of the things that are happening in our world. For example, that some species are getting extinct and all that kind of things. So basically that's important to know what the species eat, how they live, and all that kind of